Participatory budgeting matters because it gives real people real power to make a real difference. With this one-time funding of $8.5 million, we have lifted projects for a better Los Angeles, with $8.5 million going to local community partners. Today, we are in Boyle Heights at Proyecto Pastoral. The work of the participatory budgeting program has uplifted 174 families who were facing eviction and housing instability.
Estoy agradecido primeramente con Dios, después con cada uno de los patrocinadores que nos han tomado en cuenta en estos momentos tan difíciles.
A single mother with her 10-year-old boy and her 3-year-old girl. The positive impact that this had in her life and for her 2 little ones is that she was able to keep her apartment.
Big shout out to Mayor Karen Bass, all of City Council, and especially Councilmember Geraldo, who provided the food today for this event and continues to support a Los Angeles for everyone.